25, 50, 60. Oh, just counting on my AdSense. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shelly. I help you create content so you can share what you love with the world. Today, if you didn't get it from the intro, we're talking all about money, how you make money on YouTube. So let's just get it out of the way at the very beginning. The first way that you can make money on YouTube is going to be through AdSense. When you get the ability to be monetized, which is 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time, or 240,000 minutes if that is your cup of tea and want to measure that way, then you can apply for monetization, and then when they show ads on your videos, you get a very, very, very small percentage of that. One thing also to note with AdSense is though you get very, very little, you do have to wait until you reach the threshold of $100 to be paid out. So, for some channels, including myself, that could take several months for that total to get to that amount before they'll pay you out. If you're thinking that you're gonna start YouTube and you're just gonna start making videos and you're gonna get so many views and you're just gonna make a living off AdSense, I would implore you now, don't believe that, because the amount of views that it would take millions upon millions of views per month to be able to have a good living off AdSense, and I don't want you to rely on that as your number one source of income. And as my friend Andrew over at TubeBuddy likes to say, they call it AdSense for a reason. And, he's not wrong. So now that we've covered that, can we be done with it? Because it should really be the last thing on your mind as the last way to make money. Can we just move on? All right. The second way to make money on YouTube is going to be doing merchandise. So that could be t-shirts, it could be some sort of sticker, it could be some sort of physical product that you sell, sweatshirts, whatever it is, you can create something. Teespring even has an integration within YouTube where you can create a shop, you can upload your own custom logos, you can also do your own custom wear through Amazon. So there's lots of different places. If you wanted to have stickers, if you had an Etsy shop where you were doing calendar, cutout stickers, you could do all of that kind of merchandise and you would probably still end up making more money than AdSense. If you have a lot of expertise in something, you could create your own book with Amazon self-publishing or any of the other online platforms that do that. You can create your own ebook and then sell it online and make money off that and do affiliate sales as well for other things that people purchase while they're shopping on Amazon or whatever it is. So that is a great way also. If you want to do the work once and then just keep reaping the benefits of it, you could go ahead and do that as well. The third way that you can make more money on YouTube is by accepting brand sponsorships. So just make sure that you have the FTC, or Federal Trade Commission, disclosures correctly done in your description box, and you're saying #ad or sponsored. There are rules around if you accept money to do a video that you want to abide by. I don't want anyone getting in trouble, so make sure you read up on that and disclose where you need to. Yes, you do need to legally disclose, okay? So if a brand is going to pay you for a review, it doesn't mean that they're paying you to buy a good review. So keep that in mind. Keep your integrity, because once you lose that with your audience, you're gonna have a really hard time. But make sure that when you are doing a review that you're still fair and honest and you have all of the terms already laid out with the business about how you're going to be getting money, when you get paid, and what are the deliverables, okay? So the fourth way that you can make money on YouTube is going to be doing things like Patreon, Super Chats, Buy Me a Coffee, anything that's crowdfunded from your audience. And that could also be if you get to a large enough channel size where they will give you the monthly join and channel membership fee. There are some people that have that. They use it like a Patreon or like some sort of private club where you can have extra access to maybe discounts on your merchandise or extra videos or private videos. So there's lots of different ways that you can use those. And so there's great sites like Buy Me a Coffee. If it's just a one-time donation, if someone wants to be, it's basically like how much would a cup of coffee cost you? Maybe $4. And so they can give you a one-time donation of that. You can set that up. That's free. When you get to a certain threshold, you can get paid out. Patreon, if you haven't launched it yet, I believe that they might start charging a monthly fee to maintain that campaign. I can't confirm that yet. Just putting that out there. It's another way that you can do that. The next way that you can make more money on YouTube is going to be through affiliate sales. There's plenty of sites. I've made videos on a great company called Magic Links. You can get signed up with Amazon. You can get signed up with like B&H Photo. Even TubeBuddy has an affiliate program. I happen to love TubeBuddy. You guys can always go check it out for free. I have a code if you want to save 20%. You can also use that. So the way the affiliate codes work is that it doesn't cost the viewer anything, but if they use a code that is associated with you and make a purchase, sometimes that particular retailer or vendor will give you a small percentage of it. Like for a $300 item on Amazon, I might get like $1 or $2. The affiliate marketing thing, for you to be able to make a lot of money, sometimes you need to move like a ton of units. So for instance, I had a video on my channel do really well, which was just me repairing Louboutin shoes, and I had linked the red paint that I used, and each time someone buys that, I get like 30 cents. So even though I've sold hundreds and hundreds of units of that particular thing, I think when you total it all up, it's maybe like $12 in 2 years or something. So it's not going to be something that you are going to make a ton of money at, but it is something that still adds up over time. And the more products that you link and use it, the more money that you can make. The next way that you can make money is to have a service-based business. You can use YouTube to drum up business for things such as if you're a video editor, or if you make, if you're a graphic designer, if you do coaching and consultations, whatever it is, if you sell a service, you can totally do so. Some people do it through webinars, some people will do it live one-on-one, whatever you choose to do. It could be that people pay you for work that you do that they upload to the cloud, and then you do your thing to it and then you send it back to them. There's lots of ways that you can make money by having a service-based business, but the one thing is you're trading only as much time as you have physically available to do those services. So you'll find that as your demand goes up, your prices will also need to go up as well, because it will be overwhelming how much work you get, and you're gonna have to raise your prices so that it's worth your time. I had a friend who always had a saying that said, if it don't make you dollars, it doesn't make sense. And I always thought that was just like super funny. If you think that joke is funny, put #joke in the comment section, because I think it's funny. One thing I would encourage you guys to look at is that you should not just aspire to just be a YouTuber. You should probably think about, the long end game and how to make money in other ways besides just AdSense. For all the people who want to make a full-time living as an influencer, or however you want to say it, as a content creator, if you ever just rely on AdSense and then one day your channel gets demonetized or they end the partner program, I don't want you to be stuck without a way to make money. So just think about these different ways and see if there might be something that you can do to make more money become available in your stream. And AdSense is really just the cherry on top and not the main entree. If this is making sense to you, can I get a thumbs up on this video? I would really appreciate it. And if you enjoy content like this, make sure you consider subscribing to the channel. Would love to have you be part of the squad. I hope you come back for the very next video in the series. It's going to be all about how you can capitalize not only on the success of the most popular videos on your channel, but on the trends of all of the world, so you can get more views and eyeballs on your videos. If that sounds good to you, I'll see you guys next week. Bye!